This video is on network hardware. Hardware is all the parts of a computer system that you can physically touch with your hands. So network hardware is all the parts of the network that you can physically touch. There are several key parts of network hardware that you need to know for your exam. A router transmits data by directing packets to their destination. So if you're using your router in your house and using it to transfer information to and from the internet, it takes the packets of data that's been created by you, and this could be signals to access a website, or it could be downloading things, and it directs them to where they need to go. A switch is used to connect different devices together to create a local area network. It directs any data on this network using MAC addresses. MAC addresses are unique identifiers for each device on the network. We'll come to this in a bit more detail later on in a different video. A wireless access point, or a WAP, is used to connect wireless devices to the network. A server is a central place that is used to store any files and programs that anyone on the network can access. Now, just because a server is a central place, it doesn't literally mean it's in the centre. So a server could be on the top floor and all of the other devices on the network could be on the bottom floor. Central doesn't mean in the middle. Network interface cards, or NICs, are internal hardware that allow a device to connect to a network. Now, because they're internal hardware, this means they're inside of the computing device, not externally plugged in. All of these devices are needed to work together to create a network and to allow any devices to connect together on that network. This allows them to transmit data from the devices around the network or even externally to other networks, such as on a wide area network. Because routers transfer the data between networks, they're always used to connect more than one network together. So this is why in your house you might have a router that connects your local area network to the widest area network of all, the internet. This exam question says, describe the role of the switch in the office network. So this is a 2-mark question, and as much as it wants you to only give the red definition, you also need to make sure that your answer refers back to the scenario. So your answer could look like the switch would be used to connect the many devices in the office together to create a LAN. So it's pretty much just the red definition for the 1st mark, but we've made sure that it is also relevant to the scenario. And then for the 2nd mark, it's the 2nd half of the red definition. So the switch would also direct any data on the office network using MAC addresses. So it is just the red definitions, but given that they have given us a scenario, we need to make sure that we are using the scenario in our answers.